JPY pairs are crushing it right now, and in this video I'm going to break down some of their pairs and show you exactly what might happen in the next few weeks. So stay tuned if you are trading them. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with Incubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you some of the charts that are related to JPY pairs and show you exactly what might happen in the next few days or in the next few weeks. They're just my personal opinion based on the charts, based on technical analysis, and then let's see what might happen. So right now, as you can see, I'm in JXY chart, which is related to Japanese yen, and it's a very good indicator that shows what Japanese yen pairs are doing exactly. So as you can see, we had a really bearish trend like for the past couple of since 2020, to be honest, because the highest point here, the swing high here, the last one is for 2020, and after that we have lower lows and lower highs, and it's just going down, creating a downtrend. So but after that, see, after this liquidity grab, we can see some strength and some momentum towards upside for JXY for Japanese yen. So it means that it's gaining strength, and here we have a really clear resistance level that this price might reach to and then reverse, or it's just simply breaking this resistance level, and then what might happen is exactly this one. So there are two scenarios. The first scenario is this, that the price kind of taps into this zone. It means that Japanese yen is going to gain more strength to reach this level and then reverse, or the other scenario is that it breaks through this resistance level and then come back to the previous resistance level, which is now our support level, and then go up like this. So it really depends what's going to happen to Japanese yen trades and charts, and also I'm gonna show you some of their pairs and analyze them to see if there's any correlation in between. So this is for JXY, guys. I want to show you GBPJPY. This is a really good one that I was trading. I wasn't trading, I was analyzing this morning, and we are in daily time frame. So as you can see, if GBPJPY, like if Japanese yen is gaining a strength, so it means that GBP is dropping, and this is exactly what's happening here. But the overall picture, like the bigger picture, shows us a very unclear trend, which is kind of consolidating. As you can see, there's no clear uptrend or downtrend, in my opinion. I mean, as you can see, there's nothing going on really here, and GBPJPY has been bearish for the past couple of days, or I would say a few weeks, and it's all because of JXY. And this is a daily time frame, so we have a very strong support level here for GBPJPY. This is a very strong level, and also very strong resistance level in this area here. So you gotta pay attention to this area because we have so much liquidity sitting here. Sellers put their stop loss here, and so it means that there's so much liquidity. And the same as here, we also have some one high point here. And if I connect this line to this line, you see this trend line is a downtrend, and we have so much liquidity here sitting here, and so much liquidity sitting here, and also a low point here as a liquidity. So but in general, GBPJPY has been bearish, and as you can see, it actually broke into this support level. So this support level is actually from here to here, if I want to be pretty accurate, and as you can see, it's already broken into this broken outside of this order block support level. And then there are some scenarios here. The first scenario is that it just do a little bit of pullback and then drops, or it can literally reverse towards upside and break this resistance level one more time and change the direction. It all depends on JXY. So JXY, as you remember, I already showed you what's going to happen here, that it's gaining a strength. So if it goes up, it means that GBPJPY might continue going down. So that's why it's a really good indicator that GBPJPY is losing strength. So this is one of them. I can go for New Zealand Japanese, and then I show you what's going on here. As you can see, this is a daily time frame, guys. I'm just analyzing like the overall charts based on daily, but I'm personally trading based on 5 minutes time frame, or max 1 hour. I don't really do that, to be honest. If you watch my live trading sessions, it's always on 5 minutes, and it's GU, EU, NAS 100 and gold. That's it. And most of the time it's NAS 100. So even for New Zealand Japanese, as you can see, it's been bearish for the past few days, or past few weeks, I would say. And it's exactly because of what's going to happen. Even here we have a very strong support level, and here another strong support level. Liquidity is sitting here, liquidity is sitting here. This is a very strong one. As I said, there's a high chance that this price kind of breaks this support level and then just continue to go down for the next support level, or whatever wants to happen. But even New Zealand Japanese has been bearish, but the overall picture shows us that this is consolidating here. There is no clear uptrend or downtrend. If you're a scalper, it shouldn't matter to you at all, but if you're a swing trader, it might be a little more difficult and choppy and fluctuating for you. So even for 4 hour, you see there we have a really clear picture of this support level here. It's very obvious. In my humble opinion, it's going to be a really good break of a structure, a little bit of pullback, and then continuation to the downside to grab more liquidity. This is just my personal opinion. As I said, I'm a scalper. Just get into the trade and get out of it in 20-30 minutes. I'm done for the day. But for the longer time frame, we have so many gaps here, guys, that needs to be filled in. So many gaps here, so many gaps here. Gaps are liquidity, guys. Gaps are liquidity, and liquidity is money. It means that where buyers and sellers leave their stop losses, so banks and institutions want to grab that money and change the direction of the market based on their favors, like towards their favors, right? So, and these gaps are exactly the indicator of liquidity that needs to be filled in. Here, we have so many sellers that put their stop loss above these levels. So you gotta pay close attention to these areas here. So this is a very obvious one for New Zealand Japanese. We can go for Aussie Japanese. This is a really good one. As you can see, they're almost the same, like not all of them, but they're bearish, like because they have JPY pair in them. So it means that we are creating lower lows and lower highs like this, lower lows, lower highs. And even Aussie Japanese has been bearish for the past few weeks, and I don't know, I mean, we gotta expect the price to come up to here or even here. But don't forget the order blocks, guys. As I said, I always emphasize on order blocks that how important they are. Order blocks and gaps are where banks take their trades, and if you want to be profitable, you need to trade according to banks and institutions. That's how important order blocks are. And for example, for Aussie yen, we had this order block here that is just tapped into, and then right now we have a bearish engulfing candle and a break of a structure here. So we need to wait for more pullback because we have a very good order block right here. So it means that we have so many gaps and so much liquidity in between that needs to be filled in. So you gotta pay close attention to here. You gotta pay a close attention to here. This one might be a good one, but it's low probability. This is a high probability one. This is a high probability order block, but at the same time we have so much liquidity here. So guys, you got to be careful because it's so close to our resistance level, and it means that there's so many stop losses. Even this one is so close to our resistance level. But we have a huge break of a structure. So this break of a structure should be a very good help for you, so that the market needs to do a little bit of correction, and then you need to take your trade according to the trend. So this is for Aussie Japanese. I showed you GBPJPY, Aussie JPY, New Zealand JPY, and I showed you the main ones, guys. I showed you the main ones, but if you want to like see more examples, feel free to just drop your comments below this video. I do the analysis on that. I always do a weekly market analysis, and I release them on Sundays. But I just wanted to show you something about like Japanese yen that I show you right now. If you want to analyze Japanese yen, don't forget to go to JXY. This is a really good chart if you want to see what's going on exactly with Japanese with like, you know, JPY pairs. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell so next time when I upload a video you'll get notified super fast. And if you want to trade completely hands-free without getting involved in this market, and you want a Forex expert advisor to do that for you and give you 8% to 20% per month in profit, go check out the smartincubator.com, grab your copy, and if you have any question, just drop your comment here. I personally get back to you. So thank you so much again, and I'm out.